In this video, we'll see how to draw typical floor plans. In OBPass, we have a provision wherein you need not draw each of the floors separately. You can denote which all floors are typical in your design, and the system will automatically map all the bylaw provision that you have drawn into that floor and map it against the remaining floors that is typical in your drawing. So if we go to the drawing template that I've shared, under the floor plan section, you will find the typical floor detail. And the way to draw is you have to denote in M text which all floors is typical in your drawing. And the layer name for the M text will be in block 1 or 2, whatever it is. And floor, the floor will be the start point of your typical floors in your drawing and built up area. And the color code will be as per your sub-occupancy type. So if we go into a sample drawing, this is an apartment project that I've already shared a reference file with all of you. And if you see, the typical floor starts from floor 1. From floor 1 to 7, all the floors are same. So we are only required to make floor 1 in detail. We have to denote all the dwelling unit, the staircase, lifts, everything we have to draw. The floor 1 has to be complete in all regards. And the next thing that we do, we provide the M text in the same color code as of the build up area color. So it is written here block 1, floor 1, built up area. And the color code is of the apartment sub-occupancy only, the same that we have drawn in this drawing. And we have denoted typical underscore floor underscore plan equal to, and this starts from floor 1. So we start with 1 to the last typical floor in your drawing. So in this, we have 1 to 7. So I've denoted 1, 2, 3 till 7. You can do the same thing if you have multiple building blocks and both of them have typical floors in their drawing. If you see in block 2, I've done the same thing, typical underscore floor underscore plan, and this has the same floors from 1 to 4. So I've denoted 1, 2, 3, 4. And the layer name is block 2, floor 1, built up area. It will have its own color code as per the block that is falling inside. Another case can be inside a single building block, you might have different types of typical floors. For example, in this drawing, we have a typical floors from floor 1 to 4. So this I've drawn only once. I've drawn only floor 1, and then I've denoted the M text 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if in case floor 5 is different, it has a different layout altogether, you'll need to draw that specific floor with all the OBPass features. And if it also has typical floors above it, you can do the same. You can denote it under the same M text. But this layer name will be under the name of floor 5, block 1, floor 5, built up area. The remaining above floors, if it is same, you can denote the numbers also. So as you can see, we have multiple options to draw different possibilities of typical floor plan. It is not required that each consequent floors should be typical in design. It could be that typical floor plan 1, 3, 5. So whatever type of design you have, if it has a typical floor feature inside it, you can capture it through OBPass.